If the YouTube TV app keeps crashing on your smart TV, don't worry. This is a common issue and can usually be fixed in minutes. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get the app running smoothly again. Start by restarting the YouTube TV app. Fully close it, then reopen it. If it crashes immediately, restart your smart TV by powering it off and unplugging it for 10 seconds before turning it back on. Next, check your internet connection. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi often causes app crashes. Move closer to your router or restart your modem. For the best performance, use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Now update the app. Go to your TV's App Store, Samsung Apps, LG Content Store, Google Play Store, search YouTube TV, and select Update if available. Outdated versions crash more often. Clear the app cache if your TV supports it. If the crashes continue, uninstall and reinstall the app. This refreshes all data and fixes corrupted files. Finally, update your smart TV's software under Settings. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.